Hi everyone, today we're gonna make a blind bag. I'm gonna outline all the one that I did off camera. So let's do this. Almost done. And please do not mind about my table. I just do not have time to do that. We're almost done. You just have to do the outlines. Okay, now we're at the next paper. Let's outline it. Now let's draw what I don't know. Let's just draw random hearts and write, of course. Epic and legendary. Now we're gonna color. Wait, no, I forgot. We're gonna erase. I'm sorry. We're almost done. And also, if you're saying, why did you not outline the word blind bag under the Cinnamoroll? Because it's gonna be too thick and it's gonna ruin it. Yeah. Okay, now we're done. Let's get like something. Now we're done coloring the sparkles. Let's color the hearts now. think there's not much ink for the pink. Let's get another pink. Yes, better. Why could I not draw the other one? Oh, it's getting ruined. Now let's color the bow. Just doing it like tiny squares and like random stuff like that. And also, I forgot. There's gonna be a next part next week. This is only part 1, so next time will be part 2 next week. Sometimes it won't be next week because I'm busy doing school and swimming school, yeah. Don't mind the whole mess. And please, no hates. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to all of my videos in my other channel, Zoe Bonnie Gaming. It has a very little, but there's a little bit of tutorials on there, role plays and stuff. So yeah, let's continue with the video. Now let's do the color, I think. Oh yeah, the mouth, I forgot. Okay, now let's go. Let's go. Now let's color her belt. It has so much ink. I could just really just press it. So easy. Now let's color the word blind bag. I don't know if you could see it, but now you can. Now let's go to the next one. Now let's color the hearts: common, rare, and epic, and legendary. Pink common, and I was thinking, sorry about that. And red. And now purple. We hope it does not bleed. Now yellow. Now let's get the other paper. Let's tape both of the papers together into a bag. Now let's get my tape. I have so little tape, so we're doing more videos next week. That's why I did not record that much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.